Hi, today we will make an AC dimmer or AC voltage controller. Warning: dealing with high voltage is dangerous. If you don't have any experience with the high voltage, then just watch the video. Don't make it. By using PWM technique, we can control the DC loads or brightness of lighting, but we cannot use PWM to control the AC. Now let us understand how to control the AC. To control the AC, we cannot use the transistor. We can use pair of SCR, also called silicon control rectifier, or TRIAC, which is suitable for alternating current. We will use TRIAC. TRIAC have 3 pins, which is terminal 1, terminal 2 and gate. When we give a pulse to gate, TRIAC will turn on. Now let us see how to control AC by using TRIAC. Here you can see AC voltage waveform. One complete cycle is from 0 to 360 degree. Now let me introduce new word called firing angle. It is the angle when we give a trigger pulse to SCR or TRIAC. Now consider the first case. In this case firing angle is 20 degree. That means TRIAC will conduct only after 20 degree. So RMS value of voltage will be less compared to full sine wave. In this area SCR will remain turned off. Now let's come to second case. In this case firing angle is 19 degree. So TRIAC will be conduct only after 90 degree. That means from full wave 50% will be conducting and 50% will be off. So RMS value of voltage will even less. Now come to the third case. In this case firing angle is 135 degree. So RMS value of voltage will be more less. Thyristor will conduct only for these areas. So by adjusting the firing angle of TRIAC we can control the AC voltage. Now let's make a basic circuit of AC voltage regulator. For that you need a 10 kilo ohms resistor, BT136 TRIAC, DB3 DIAC, 0 PCB, 470K potentiometer. This potentiometer have switch also. You can use normal one also. Let me show you the resistance. It shows 480K, which is acceptable. Now let us solder everything on 0 PCB according to schematic diagram. You will find diagram link in description. Make sure enough clearance between soldered terminal since this circuit works on 220 volt AC. I would recommend to rip off copper pads between terminals. And it is done. Now let me test it. I will use 100-watt bulb to test it. Let me powering up this. Do not touch anything in circuit when it connected to mains. Use some non-conducting material to adjust the brightness. As you can see, it works fine. This is very basic simple circuit. We can only control it manually. But if we want to control by using mobile via IoT, we cannot use this diagram. Of course, the concept is same, but we have to add microcontroller with Wi-Fi to control the firing angle. It is topic for another video. Stay tuned for it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe now.